Today I will show you how you can use ErrorWidget to handle different error exceptions, which will give us Flutter error details and prevent the app from crashing and showing red or gray screens of death, which creates a bad experience for the users. First of all, we will create a custom error intentionally by taking a simple container widget as child of the center widget with a custom height and width. We will give a color to the container and also add a box decoration. After saving here, you can see that we have a red screen of death with some error details, which creates a bad impact on user. To get rid of this red screen, we will create a custom error method which will be called whenever the build method fails. Inside the custom error method, we will use ErrorWidget.builder, which will give us Flutter error details. Here we will return a scaffold with the app bar, and in the body we will pass a column widget. Now here we can personalize our error widget according to our requirements. Inside the column widget, we will add a text widget with a text error and give it some custom text style. We will add another text widget, and here we will access Flutter error details by calling details.exception. We will give it a custom text style. We can distinguish between the release and debug versions programmatically by using the kdebug mode flag from the foundation.dart library. We will call custom error method inside our main method right before running the app. After hard reloading, here you can see that when the error occurs, our custom error method is called to replace the red screen.